Welcome back everyone to another video in our Fundamentals of Structural Engineering course. In this video, we are going to have a brief introduction about the RC structure design in this course. In this course, and as per the FE exam requirements, we are going to learn the structure design of the following elements. First, we are going to learn how to design beams, then we will move to the structure design of columns. In case of beams, we are going to learn how to design beams against flexure, where it is going to be governed by this equation, which is phi mn has to be more than or equal m ultimate, where mn is the nominal moment capacity of the section, phi is the safety factor or the reduction factor, and the m ultimate is the factored moment on this beam. After that, we will learn how to design beams against shear forces, where the governing equation it is going to be phi vn has to be bigger than or equals v ultimate, where vn is the nominal capacity of the section against shear, and also phi is the safety factor in case of shear, and v ultimate is the factored shear force. While regarding columns, we are going to learn first how to design columns against normal forces only, where it is going to be governed by the equation of phi pn has to be bigger than or equal P ultimate, where phi is the safety factor or the reduction factors for the case of normal forces, and P ultimate is the factored normal force. After that, we are going to learn how to carry out the structural design of columns subject to normal and moment at the same time, where it is going to be based on a combination between both normal and moment, so there is no specific value. However, we will rely on curves or graphs, which is called interaction diagrams. We are going to learn that also in the following sections. So enough with this introduction, and let's get started with our RC design chapter. See you in our next video. Thank you.